At CooperVision, we're stepping up operations to keep pace with global demand and bring the latest in contact lens innovations to eye care professionals and patients worldwide. We've designed our West Henrietta facility to be more efficient, responsive, and competitive in the contact lens market. With a total of 400,000 square feet, we've added more packaging lines and efficiencies to increase output. Our enhanced storage technology and packaging capabilities feature state-of-the-art tools, so we can work faster, safer, and with more precision. We've brought in new technology to support customer service, creating a more satisfying experience for both our customers and our teams. With these advancements, our West Henrietta facility can distribute over 1 billion lenses annually across the globe. And we do it all with people and planet in mind. Our West Henrietta site is LEED Silver certified for its environmentally conscious design and operation. The facility is powered by 100% renewable electricity sourcing, and we're proud to continue embracing our ingenuity to care for our planet and each other. Because we're also powered by people, we've expanded our local workforce with plans to continue that growth. At CooperVision, we're ready to meet our customers where they are, to meet rising demand around the globe, to change lives and bring better vision to the world. And when you work with CooperVision, West Henrietta delivers.